Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are a new visitor, kindly subscribe the channel. As you know, it's really annoying situation when Google Chrome start opening new tab automatically every time when you click anywhere in the Google Chrome. Maybe it's because of a new Chrome extension, or maybe a new software that you just installed, or maybe because of cookies. So we have three main options to solve this problem. The first one is to check all the recently installed Chrome extensions, and secondly, a newly installed software. The last option we have is look for cookies that are causing the problem. So let's start. Okay, the first option we have is check for a newly installed extension in Google Chrome. Maybe new install extension is causing the problem. So open your Google Chrome and click this three dot icon. Now click more tools and extensions. So I will click the extension, and here we have all the extensions that are installed on our Google Chrome. So I will disable or uninstall the extension. To disable, you simply have to click this disable icon. You have to click here to disable, or you can even uninstall by clicking the remove, and as you can see, the extension is gone. So hopefully this will solve the problem. If not, you can try the second option. The second option is go to start, and here you can type CON, or actually we have to type control panel, but as you can see, I just typed CONTR, and here is the option. Click it, and now click the uninstall program. So here we have all the installed program. We will try to uninstall the newly installed software. Yes. So as you can see, we have uninstalled the newly installed software. Hopefully this will solve the problem, but if not, then we will go to the third option, start Google Chrome. Now click this three dot icon. Now click this more tools, and as you can see, clear browser data. And this will ask you about if you want to clean the browser history, cookies and cache files. And here you can see a time period. You can select all time, or if you have a recent problem, then you can choose some other time. You can even use the advanced option. It will clean more deeply. So we will choose the basic, and we will choose all time and click clear data. It will take some time. As you can see, it will clean 201 MB cache files. So Wait for the process. So we are done. Hopefully this video was useful for you. Kindly consider subscribing the channel for more useful videos. Take care.